Where do you see yourself 5 years from today? What type of vision do you have? What type of destination do you have for your life? I want you to imagine a GPS system. When you put in a destination, show you how to get there. It gives you the direction to get to your destination. Well, your mind, body and soul works the same way. If you don't have a destination for your life, you are just drifting through life. Take whatever life gives you. You are not a creator. You are not creating things in your life. You are taking handouts. You are like a ship in the sea without rudder. Wherever you end up in life, that's where you end up. That is your end result, because you have no vision. See, your vision is not just something you see with your 2 eyes. Vision is what you feel in your heart. When you think about your dream, who will you become? What type of life do you want to experience? What type of person are you willing to become in order for you to manifest that vision? Your vision must be so massive that it makes you feel uncomfortable. When you share your vision with others, they must think that you are crazy. You must find the reason why you exist. You must share your whole entire life. That is the case. You must search for your purpose. Why are you here on this earth? You must find the reason why you have life. And when you find the reason why you have life, you must create a massive vision. A vision that inspires you. A vision that motivates you. A vision that will give you reason to wake up early in the morning. A vision that will give you a reason to grind every single day. How bad do you really want an exceptional life? What are you willing to do in order for you to experience that vision? You must understand how powerful your thoughts and your emotions are. Your thoughts and emotions are like Wi-Fi. See, you can't see Wi-Fi, but it works. You can't touch Wi-Fi, but it allows you to connect with someone across the world. Now, just because you can't see Wi-Fi does not mean it doesn't exist. Your vision may not be able to touch your vision, may not be able to see your vision in reality. But I want you to know that your mind, body and soul is manifesting your vision based on the energy you give to that vision. You must take ownership of your life. You must take ownership of your dream, of your passion, of your desire. It must become really within you first, before it shows up in reality. You must understand you are a cool creator. You must understand you are manifester. That you, based on what you think, based on your beliefs, based on your faith, will determine what you manifest in your life. What type of life do you want to have? Who will you become?